What's up, you guys? I'm Shane here, and hello, Gary. I'm about to play Bad Piggies online with this. Let's get started. Okay, let's go and do sandbox and File the Dreams. Ending with Sunny Bunnies. Why is Shiny crying? Come play Jane cartoons for children. You know, it's been long for years for Bad Piggies. Well, I used to play it because I love that game. I really love it. But anyhow, let's get started. By the way. Okay, got to clean this up. Already did. And then when we do that, let's do a Bad Piggy thing. Okay, let's do this anyway. Hot and blood. Oh my god! Anyhow. Okay, this time we are about to do something. Back out stuff. Make this. Well, I did TikTok last time, but now in the future, I'm about to. And then when we do that, it crashes like this. It goes like this. Watch. And look. He's free! He's going! He's going around, he's going in. He gone! Oh! Yeah! Okay, this time, he's about to do this. It's time to do this. Editing. But wait, hold on. I better fix this. Right. Okay. Space, and then boom, done. Let's get started. He's going. He gone! Does that? This is the last one. When I do that, I'm done. What's this? Green Nomadic? And new videos are coming up soon. Uh-oh. Oh my god! He did not! Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Well, that's it. We made him cry. Well, we made her cry, but guess what? I'm done for today. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want more, ask me in the comments below. And when you do that, be gold and stay good. And COVID-19 is dangerous for you. So we're home safe, and now it's time for our sign out. So anyways, this is Shane Payton signing off right now. Goodbye.